You may like to see an example of a run around the moon. First we open up Mindstorms and click on Code. In this particular case, I've saved the project as Project 2, and this opens up in this particular program. We've set the motors to E and F. We've gone forward straight for 25 centimeters. We've turned right 40 degrees for 120 centimeters, and we've come back 30, and we've finished the program. Now you can download your program to your wonderful robot using either USB or Bluetooth. Either will be fine. And when we did this and we downloaded it and ran it, this is what we saw. Well, our robot landed nicely back on Earth again, but it may vary depending on the surface you're running it on. I ran it on hardwood, but when I ran that on carpet, the result was different, as you'll see here. So you'll need to change those numbers, those values, depending on the surface you're running on. So experiment, have fun, and enjoy your robot.